Hello friends, today I am going to share mango pickle in Bihari style. If you are new friends, like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon.
A few moments later.
And keep it sun for 2 days. After 2 days, water has come out from the mango and keep the again sunlight. So take it apart and dry it in the sun for a couple of hours. Use turmeric water to make vegetable and cook lentils. Now let me tell you the name of the spice. 500 gram mustard and 200 gram red chili powder and fenugreek seed 50 gram and 50 gram soap, 50 gram coriander seed and 2 big tablespoon black salt, 10 gram hing, turmeric powder 3 big tablespoon, ajwain 50 gram and normal salt 4 tablespoon big. Let's start making. First, all spices, roast it. See, roast is ready. And after mustard roast. And roast after turmeric powder and red chili powder will be heated only. And see, Take 600 gram mustard oil and heat it more. Mix all the spices and mango in the oil. And put the glass jar in clay jars and put a lid on it and show the sun for 8 days. After 8 days, you can see that the mango pickle is ready. And if you are my channel new friends, like my recipe, pickle recipe, more than share it your relative friends. Till then, bye bye, thank you, take care.